Now, what's the difference between appropriate and not appropriate dress for the meeting?
And an appropriate dress would be something with lots of sparkles and like bling. But something appropriate would be something like this.
Yes, so
Something
it's
just simple.
simple and yet very ladylike.
Something
Good.
that, like, you would wear this if you were going to the memorial.
Mhm.
And this you could go to service, the memorial.
Mhm.
You could do pretty much anything with this one. But with these, they're too sparkly. They're too much.
But like for a special occasion, those are appropriate.
For occasion, they'd be good. Like for the memorial, or if you had a school picture day, that would be simple, something you could wear. But you need something like this, something for the meeting. This would be for everyday use. Something pretty, something simple.
So do you like that dress so far?
I like this one.